Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin.
Hello everyone. If you are interested in creating your own wreath and adding your own style, your own colors, your different florals, you want to join my wreath making class. I have it now available for purchase. I will have the link down below, and you can go ahead and purchase the tutorial where you will have it forever. It's your own digital copy. So if you would like to learn how to make a fall wreath or any wreath for any seasonal decor, definitely you would like to go to my website and download that wreath making tutorial. It is easy, it is step by step, and I am with you all the way through. It's also a lot of fun. So thank you so much in advance for your support, and I will see you in class. Hey fams, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. So today I am taking you guys on a Goodwill thrifting shopping trip. It's my first time in Goodwill it's been about 6 years. And I am loving this Goodwill in my neck of the woods where I live. Y'all, this love seat is so gorgeous, and I cannot even believe the price that it's selling for. Like, can y'all just believe it? $35.99 is absolutely gorgeous. It is so soft. The leather is like butter on your skin. And then this chair also, it's in really great condition. I'm just going to clean it and maybe do a little decorating on there. So I am so excited about these two finds. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take you guys along with me, and we're just gonna take a little look-see around the store. I'm not gonna get a lot of things because I'm on a budget, and I don't want to overwhelm. I have my bills and stuff that I have to pay, so I just wanted to get some type of seating and just a few little things, essentials that we actually do need, like plates and cups and things like that. So we're gonna just go ahead and look around and see what we can find here in Goodwill. Also, I want to let you guys know that we are still doing our Gofundme. If you are interested in supporting the cause of getting a new car for my kids and I, y'all know the whole backstory. If you don't, please go back a few videos and watch it. Okay, but if you are interested in supporting, I will have the link down below where you can go ahead and donate whatever it is that God laid on your heart to donate. It could be 50 cents. I am grateful. Okay. Also, y'all saw in the clip before this, I do have wreath making class, and it's up on the website. So I will also have that link down below if you want to go ahead and support that way as well. Thank you guys so much for all of your support and for all of your love. So let's go ahead and get into this video.
I made an old man. I said, tell me your story. Got an old pen and wrote something for me. Then he kept walking on down the road, and I watched him disappear like smoke. And I thought I'd just seen a ghost. Then I looked
fams, I wanted to just talk to you guys a little bit. I know that some of you have mentioned in the comment section of quite a few of you actually mentioned it. And at first I was kind of like, no, you guys are doing so much already. But I'm so grateful to you guys. Some of you have mentioned about gift registry. For me to do a gift registry so that you guys can help and support in that way. And at first I really was hesitant because I don't want you guys to think that I'm out here begging or, anything like that, because that is just not what I'm doing. But I just, you guys mentioned it, so I figured I would go ahead and do a little housewarming registry. So I have the link on Amazon. I have it down in the description box. If you're interested in, purchasing anything on there, you can. You absolutely don't have to. It's no pressure. None of it is pressure. The Gofundme, the wreath making, none of it. Like, it's no pressure for you guys to do anything. Y'all are doing so much already and have done so much already to help me and my family. But I just wanted to, do basically what it is that you guys are suggesting for me to do in terms of doing a gift registry. So I did it. I have the link down below. If you guys are interested in purchasing anything from it, you definitely can go ahead. Okay, fams. So I went to Goodwill. You saw that. And now I'm on my way home. I'm going to go get Michaela from school. She had tutoring with her teacher. So I'm going to go ahead and go pick her up. And then we're going to... Can y'all hear the car? I'm literally driving it with no muffler because I have no other options. The guy at the Meineke, he cut off a part of the muffler that was dragging on the ground. And so I was able to, he cut it off for me so that I would be able to drive back and forth and get to work. But I don't know if you guys can hear it. Can you hear it? Y'all hear it? It's so loud. Let me just close the window. You probably can still hear it, but it's just so loud. But I'm gonna head home and then I'll show you guys a little haul of everything that I got. I got a couch, you guys. The brown leather love seat. Hopefully you guys can hear me over this blaring noise of a car. But I got the love seat, you guys, and I got like a gray chair. I think I showed it to you guys in the store. I have a gray chair that is on Amazon. It's more like it's not really gray. It's like more of cream and beige with stripes. But it's the same, it's the same shape and everything. So I wanted to, yeah, when I tell you this car is so loud, I wanted to get it because the one on Amazon is $2.99 and this one was $24.99. So I was just like, I'm gonna get it and I can just grab a slip cover. But it's so nice that I don't even need a slip cover. But if I wanted to change up the color or whatever, I can just grab a slip cover. And then the leather couch is real 100% genuine leather, you guys. It is so soft. So soft. And it's so nice. There's a little, little stains here and there, but I can get that out. That's nothing. And I can wipe it down and with bleach and water and, soap and clean it. But they cleaned it, steamed it, and it was so clean and immaculate. So that couch that I saw that I was gonna get was over $1,000. It was like $1,500 or something like that. So it was gonna be a while before we had a couch, because y'all know. So I was just like, you know what? I got my little paycheck today, and we needed somewhere to sit. So I got the couch for $39.99, you guys. So all in all I spent, and I got a couple of other stuff. I got like 2 quilted shams and some dishes, and what else did I get? I think that was it. So everything came up to $75, which was just incredible, just amazing. So I'm so happy about that. That was the first thing besides bills that I bought from my check today, and it just feels so good. So I'm happy about it. So my living room, it's getting there. At least me and my kids, we have somewhere to sit and start decorating. Maybe I could do a little fall setup. I don't know, we'll see. But I'm excited about it. So when we get home, I will show you guys the goods. All right, so see you in a little bit. There it goes. That's the gray chair, and that's the couch. So my mom gifted me this bed and the mattress. She asked me, what I wanted for myself, and she gifted me. I told her I needed a bed to sleep on, and so she gifted me this bed and this mattress. And you guys, it is so comfortable. Oh my goodness, my first night laying on it, and it was so comfortable. I slept like a baby, okay? So I am just so grateful to my mom for just having my back, like completely. She has my back in every possible way. But I just wanted to show you guys the unboxing and just the process, and also gonna be decorating it a little bit. I was so tired, y'all. So excited about it.
It's time to go. I pray he reads what's on the note and takes to heart what I wrote.
And of course, if you know me, you know PJs are my comfort zone. And I do apologize for being in my PJs, but I got home from work and I just got into my PJs, and it was a little chilly because it's starting to feel like fall in the mornings. So I had my sweater on as well. And y'all, it just felt so cozy, and it felt like just a muscle memory of starting to decorate again. It just feels so good. The house is starting to feel like home. And though my bedroom is in like a little pass-through hallway, everyone has to pass through this area to get into the living room, because the staircase is right by the box right there. But I didn't mind. I don't mind at all. I have a space that I can lay my head. I have a space that's all for me, and it's quiet, and I can come and I can lay to rest. So I don't mind it being in the little pass-through hallway. It's a little lack of privacy, but it's okay. I'm only sleeping in there, so it's fine. But this is what it turned out to look like, and I just am so grateful for this bed. I'm so grateful for the space. I've been thinking up in my mind how I want it to look and how I want it to feel, and it just feels so cozy. So I am so grateful. Thank you so much, Mom, for being such a blessing in every possible way. This is just incredible that I could come home from work and I can have a little space for myself.
I said, son, when you grow up, you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers, and you'll find what you've got.
So So now we are in the living room. By the way, I was doing like a major cleaning because we have family that is coming. We have a housewarming this weekend. So we have family that's coming from out of town. And we're just, mad dashing to try to get the house together. So I was organizing. I was trying to get my closet cleaned out, all the fall stuff out, and decorate a little bit. And it just feels good because now my family can come and they can sit and I don't have to worry about them sitting on the floor. So it felt good, though, to start decorating even for a little bit, so I'm super excited about it. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I am so grateful for all your help, all your encouragement, all your support. Thank y'all so much. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you and I love you too. I will see you next time. Bye.
When you grow up, you'll be fine. You've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers and you'll find what you've got. So you're the fire, you're the flare, you're the song inside my head. And I will taste every note, feel so good.